Hi, all of you. Hope you are enjoying your holidays, lockdown holidays. Don't worry, here we are to learn more about something new. Okay, all you are ready? We cannot do anything. Am I right? We are stuck. Only online. Studying is only the option. The changes are inevitable, but how you will manage the changes happening around you, that is important. The point what I would like to discuss with you is how a person changed his life. That is the point. We are going to discuss about a point, or otherwise we will call it as a dot.
Let us start with a point. This is a point or this is a dot. Dot is not the dot or point is not the point. If you darken the point, it will become the circle. It is not just the circle, it has taken a place from the paper. What is this? Some points or some dots. Actually, it is not just points or dot. It is something very interesting. It's a letter from a language. Which language? That we are going to discuss now.
All of you have seen a letter with the dots, and with the dots, the letter which became the language for blind people. Who invented that? That is invented by Louis Braille. It's called a Braille system. What is the importance of that is when Louis Braille was a very small, he was working in the workshop of his father. When he was working with his father, one tool struck in his eye, and slowly he lost the control of the other eye and he lost the complete vision. He stuck. What to do? He doesn't know what to do exactly. He went to the school nearby. One day, a military officer came to his school. He was discussing about the language which is using by the military officers, some dots and some dashes. He was very much interested to know about it. And he was listening everything. Louis Braille took some tools and took a paper and he started doing some point. 6 points he has done, and in that 6 points he has darkened 2 3 points, and slowly he created a new language for the blind people. Actually, if you ask me, I'll never say he's a blind person. No, don't be a blind person. He was visually challenged person. That is why he could change that his visually difficult situation, and a blind person, he's changed the atmosphere of the blind persons around the globe by creating a language for the visually challenged people. So I am telling, you can also change your life, understand very well what you have to do at this lockdown period. You have a capability, understand and explore. Definitely you can change your present situation. Best wishes to all of you. If you have any question, you can ask the question, because
Look at here. What is this? This is a question mark. You can ask any question. Question is not the question. If you convert the question, slowly it will become a picture. I created a picture of Gandhiji from a question mark. If you observe, you can see that it came from a question mark. So you can also create your own way.
To conclude, learn more about Louis Braille. A lot of information is available about Louis Braille, and study well. His life story will definitely change your life. It's a highly motivational videos are available in all Google, YouTube. You can go and search Louis Braille system. And concluding my session here, we will next week will come with a new session. Up to that, goodbye. Thank you very much.